Self-doubt begins with the weight of past failures or criticism. Imagine replaying echoes of mistakes or harsh words endlessly. Perfectionism whispers that flawless is the only path forward. Comparison traps you in others' curated highlight reels. Catastrophizing or rigid thinking twists reality into fear's cage. Beneath it all, a quiet voice asks, "Am I enough?" But doubt can sharpen your mind when balanced with wisdom. It humbles you, for there is always more to learn. It fuels preparation, adaptability, and choices aligned with your truth. Let doubt inform your growth instead of shrinking your courage. Reclaim clarity by rewriting your inner dialogue with compassion. Replace "I can't" with "I'll move step by step." Anchor decisions to your values, not others' fleeting opinions. Document small wins to quiet the critic inside your mind. Seek voices that lift you rather than magnify your fears. Clarity is not a destination, but a choice to act bravely. Each step forward is a triumph over doubt's shadow. You deserve confidence rooted in progress, not the myth of perfection. Self-doubt may cloud your path, but clarity emerges when courage meets compassion. By anchoring choices to your values, reframing inner dialogue, and embracing imperfect progress, you transform doubt into a compass for growth. Confidence isn't the absence of fear, it's choosing to act despite it. The journey to clarity is yours to own, one intentional step at a time. Silence the critic. Take one small step today. Your future self will thank you. Join our community of clarity seekers. Subscribe for weekly tools to turn doubt into fuel and fear into forward motion.